When I look at a investment property, the first thing I look for is the cash flow it generates. So that is always important, because when you look at the fundamentals of real estate, you only lose money in real estate when you sell. So never put yourself in a situation where you have to sell. And being in a negative or significantly negative cash flow situation, and you have a lifestyle change, that can put you in a position where you have to sell. So number one, you got to look at the cash flow situation and if you're comfortable with what it's providing. That's number one. Number two, then we got to look at the upside. So what is the upside on the property versus other opportunities? So what I look at is, okay, if we're in a down market, what were these properties selling for before? Or how's that pricing related to other properties on the market currently? What's the future upside on the property for potential growth? Are there any things that are going to upsize the rate of growth versus other areas? I look at how I can add value to the property. Now I'll put an asterisk there on that one. So it depends on the asset type you're investing in. So adding value on the property may not be something that you're interested in, because if you're adding value, then that means you're taking a more active role in the investment. So I have a number of condos in my portfolio. I can't really add more value to those condos because someone else controls the building, but I don't really have to do much with those. They're concrete boxes in the sky. So that's attractive, so that's scalable. My other assets, where I have a commercial property, where I have the option potentially to put a laneway house in the back, and it's across the street from a Metrolink station. I have my triplex. I can always put a garden suite in the back. I can add another unit to the property. I can add value, but that's going to require an active role. So it depends on what kind of asset class that you're looking to invest in. But I would look at, is there an option to add value to the property as well? So those are the three main things that I look for in regard. It's cash flow on the property, the upside on the property, and is there an option to add value on the property?